Hi, welcome to English and Technology. I am Toluwani. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom your screen during live presentation in PowerPoint. Alright, now here I am on PowerPoint, and the first thing I would like to show you is once you know that your slides are ready, then you need to learn how to put them on slideshow mode. Now you can come towards the far top here where you have the quick access toolbar. Now here, this icon here shows that I want to start from the beginning. I want this slideshow to appear. I want to go live from the beginning of the slide, from slide 1. Okay, now if you want to start from wherever you are, like right now I'm on slide 2. If I want to start showing live display for my audience from slide 2 and not from the beginning, then you can use this icon at the bottom here. This icon here shows that I want to start from the current slide that I am. Okay, now if you don't have any of those two handy, then I'm very certain and sure that you have this. So just come towards this pane here and click on slideshow. So in the ribbon you have the slideshow, and towards your far left you will see these two icons, the same two icons. So this one shows that I want to start from the current slide, while the other shows that I want to start from the beginning. Now I'm starting from the beginning, so I'm going to hit on this right now. So now here I am. This is the view that the audience will see. This is the view that the audience will also have at the same time you're displaying. So right now I have different information on this current slide. Now while I start talking, or while I start giving explanation about my point 1 here, it is very much likely that the audience could be carried away, or they could be focusing on what I have on point 2 or what I have on point 3, but I want them to be focused on me while I talk about this. So I need to use the zoom in function right now. How do I zoom? Just use the plus key on the keyboard. So you tap once, you tap twice, you tap 3 times. So once you do that, you have a better view. Then you drag towards whatever section of the screen you want. So now I can make them focus on my point 1 while I talk about this. If I'm done talking about point 1, then I want to probably find my way to point 2 or 3. Instead of me to keep dragging and I need to just make sure that I get myself well coordinated. So once I'm done talking about this, just use the escape button to return to the normal view. That makes it more standard and makes it more well coordinated for you. Now once you return to the normal view, you know that the next time you zoom, you come towards this section of the screen. So you can zoom again with the plus key on the keyboard. I press, and I press. So here I am. Then I can drag and make sure that I have them focus on this while I talk. Now if I'm done talking about point 2, I can just use the escape button. The escape button shows that I return to the normal view. Now, please be careful while you use the escape button. If you tap the escape button more than once, it will take you back to the editing mode where you can edit your slide. So make sure you tap just once to return to the normal view while you are still live on presentation. So now if I want to go to slide 3, so I know that the next time I zoom, I'll find my way towards this direction. So I use the plus key on the keyboard, I press again, then I come towards this section. Then I can make the audience to focus on whatever I'm talking about right here, right now. Okay, so now I use the escape key to return to the normal view again. So now I'm back to the normal view. Now, if you notice you like these shapes, and the one I have under point 2 and the one I have under point 3, you can actually create something fancy and beautiful like this. Please hit the links in this video description below. You will definitely learn how I created them. Alright, now the next thing I want to show you is if you want to skip slides, I mean if you want to jump from slide 1 to maybe slide 5 or whatever, then you can as well do that. So just use once you are on the normal view, use the minus key on the keyboard. So once you tap on that, it will show you all the slides you have in your presentation. So you know that you want to skip 2, you want to skip 3, or whatever you want, and you click on the particular slide you want to go to. So right now, I've just clicked on that slide, and here it is. So please, I hope you've learned from this video. If you have any question, or you want me to give you any explanation on anything, please drop it in the comment below. I will add that to the list of the videos I'm working on. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be the first to get my next video. Thank you.